Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. I made this video about temps, heure and fois for all of you who get terribly confused as to when to use which one. Now, before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. You've got to remember that le temps refers to the duration of an event or the general concept of time, as in time that passes. Let me show you a couple of examples. Plus on vieillit, plus le temps passe vite. Plus on vieillit, plus le temps passe vite. The older you get, the faster time goes by, or the faster time passes. That's the general concept of time. Répondre à un mail ne prend pas beaucoup de temps. Répondre à un mail ne prend pas beaucoup de temps. It doesn't take much time to reply to an email. Here it's more the idea of the duration of an event, how long something takes to do or to make. Le temps can also mean the concept of the right moment. Il était temps que la soirée se termine. Il était temps que la soirée se termine. It was time the party finished. Peut-être qu'il est temps de se poser des questions. Peut-être qu'il est temps de se poser des questions. Maybe it's time you asked yourself some questions. Finally, le temps also means the weather. The question I always ask people is il fait quel temps aujourd'hui? Il fait beau. Il fait quel temps aujourd'hui? Il fait beau. What's the weather like today? It's nice. Of course, you may have learnt in school quel temps fait-il, which nobody ever says because it's far too formal. So we say il fait quel temps instead. Il a fait un temps de chien toute la semaine. Il a fait un temps de chien toute la semaine. The weather has been awful all week. I chose this expression on purpose. I want you to remember. Il fait un temps de chien. Literally, dog's weather, as in horrible weather. As for l'heure, it's far easier to remember. L'heure only means the time on the clock, the hour. That's all. Allez, il est l'heure de se mettre au travail. Allez, il est l'heure de se mettre au travail. Come on, it's time to start work. Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? What time is it? Again, you may have learnt in school, quelle heure est-il? Far too formal. Il est quelle heure is what we say in everyday life. La fois, again, only means one thing. It's how often you do something, once, twice, 3 times. For instance, on va au restaurant au moins une fois par semaine. On va au restaurant au moins une fois par semaine. We eat out at least once a week. Literally, 1 time per week in French. C'est la première fois qu'elle mange des escargots. C'est la première fois qu'elle mange des escargots. It's the first time she has eaten snails. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.